it's all about. Hey! Good picture. Yeah, of course. I guess I should take this thing off of my head. Domino's trying to mac on the ladies for their sandwiches. That's my dog. I cannot. Domino, stay please. I'm gonna climb this. I don't think I can fit through there. Oh, okay. All right. It wasn't that bad. We did that, you guys. We did that. We are doing this. Step by step. Climb after climb. We are doing it. Oh, hi. You come up first. It'll be easier.
Okay.
Look at this, you guys. Yeah, just wait. Yeah, you did that. You did that. Yeah. Makes you want to cry. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my phone away so I can get back down. Time to go back down the hole. Alright, we're down the hole. We're down the hole. Feel like I'm giving birth to myself. I'm reborn! Yep. I'm proud of me. I am proud of me. The first part of the trifecta is complete. Has been conquered. Like, Do you see this? This is the trail. Rocks, like. As I'm dying. How's Domino's energy level after a full day's hike? Here's your answer. Running crazy. Not tired at all. Ready to go for more. He's crazy. He's a crazy dog. Look at this. Look at this. Me, I'm ready to die. I had to put my pack down just to go check that this campsite was real, because it's the only one, and it's not really designated, but somebody in the comments, thank you to left it in the comments, because we taking it tonight, even though it's right on the trail. It's near water, and we have had quite a rough day at going into it, coming out of it, and now we are miles ahead of it. But this is what you do when you're hiking, part of the through hike journey. So here's my pack. We're about to take it over to the campsite and set up camp. Domino, I gotta give you a shout out. Just for how amazing you are. Thank you for doing this with me. You are so amazing. Hey, I love you. I love you. Yeah, can I have a kiss? Thank you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you for being with me for this. I will say, Dragon's Tooth was definitely the hardest section that I've done so far. We had to take off packs. I had to put packs like 0.3 ahead and then go back for my pack. I had to take off Domino's pack for pretty much the whole descent until we got to after the rocks. But yeah, it was hard on your body. You had to actually climb and scale rocks, and I mean, some of the places to put your feet are just so narrow or you'll go off the side. But somehow we got it all done. And even though my feet are killing me, I didn't kill myself somehow. And we didn't fall off the side of the cliff, and we got some amazing pictures. So yeah. Yep. I think we're gonna complete this thing. I mean, I've always kind of thought it, but now it's like, it's more real. Not just the Triple Crown. I mean, we're doing it. 700 miles. We passed miles 700 today. If anybody else is still doubting me, I don't know why, but okay. We gonna show you better than we can tell you. I'm beat, but I am so proud of myself, and it actually gives me more motivation to keep going. I'm like, you did that part, now you have to do the Triple Crown. You have to keep going. And it's almost like that for every major, like, moment for me. Like, all the really, really tough parts are when I'm just like, you know what, no, this is too much, this is too hard, my body can't take it. You get up there, and everything changes. I don't know if it's adrenaline or something literally kicks in and tells you, you're not tired, you have more energy. And then in the second you start descending from that magical view, not the second, I'd say about 0.5 after you get away from the views, you feel it again and you're like, oh my God, I just want to go to sleep now. The adrenaline has kicked off. I just want to go to sleep. But today we had 4.5 more miles to go after we already did the 5 miles into Dragon's Tooth. So it was a rough day, but we got it done. We did it, and kudos to us. We did that. And now we're gonna go to sleep. It's not even hiker midnight yet. It's not even 9 o'clock. Probably 7:30, but I am absolutely... Oh my God, I'm sorry. I am absolutely exhausted, and somebody keeps firing a shotgun. I don't know if it's just for sport or if they're actually shooting at something, but Domino is going nuts. Domino! You should be asleep. Stop chasing stuff. It's okay. He is stressed out with his shotgun. All right, guys. Good night. These wildflowers are taller than me. Good morning, heading to McAfee now. Oh. Hi, cutie. You are beautiful. You're my favorite color. Good morning. I am so happy that these other hikers just confirmed that Dragon's Tooth was the hardest part of this Triple Crown. So we got the hardest part done first, thank God. So yeah, now we are headed to McAfee Knob to hopefully just get some beautiful pictures. Hopefully it's not as strenuous of a hike as it was yesterday, or a climb as I should say, because it was nothing but rock climbing yesterday. But yeah, we are feeling good, rested. My knee is feeling more rehab today. So yeah, it's been, this little log waterfall. Yeah, so far so good. So we're just gonna take it nice and easy today and enjoy the hike and the views from McAfee Knob. We also changed clothes today, as you can see. That means fresh undies, fresh sports bra. I got to wash myself in the river, change clothes, change socks. So yeah, after 2 days of sweating and cold nights, so you can't really dry the sweat, it was time to change. And yeah, I feel refreshed, I feel ready to go. Wow. There's gonna be a lot of people at McAfee Knob, it looks like. Holy crap, the parking lot is packed. Oh boy, we picked a good day, I guess. What is going on? We're through it. We're through it. McAfee Knob. We are working to get to you, but we gonna get there one step at a time. One grueling step at a time. Oh, ain't you pretty? I am getting so much better at collecting water with leaves. Look at what I would have had to rely on if I didn't get this leaf here. Mind you, not that. It was just doing this without this leaf here. Now, I have a faucet with a rock and a leaf. And all I have to do is turn it some, and I have a full stream. I'm getting good at this. I would have usually been like, ew, this is a horrible water source. But nope, this drip is going to work great for us. Morning fire. Everybody packing up. We had a great night with Latinos Aventureros. Yes. And we all fit in here. Comfortably, believe it or not. Yes. It was so amazing meeting you guys. I love what you're doing with the community. Yes. Thank you. Leaving Catabawa Shelter and headed to the knob. McAfee Knob. There was good water here, even though the app said it wasn't. You just had to use a rock and a leaf. Used a rock and a leaf and it was just fine. Over to the McAfee Knob there. Domino's feeling good. Hoping to get a nice sunset. This way, babe. Domino. Wrong way. So we're waiting on sunset and we're gonna go right over there. And that's where we're gonna set up the tripod. But I just wanted you guys to see this real quick before we even get going. It's crazy beautiful. This is just not even real. Like don't pull you too hard, babe. Come here. You want the berries? We are hiking out of McAfee Knob, and that was so magical that what I'm gonna do is go put my pack down at the shelter, and then we are going to come back and get sunset pictures. Because this is just, and we're going to do sunrise too. This is something that needs to be seen in all of its ways, for sure. Oh, I didn't know there was 10 cents here. Hi. Devised the genius plan to get sunset and sunrise at the top of McAfee Knob. And without our pack. So we just put our packs back there at the top where the viewpoint is. We're going 0.7 miles to get water, but without our packs. And then bringing the water back up, spending the night there to ensure that we get sunrise. So we're going to get all of the colors, you guys. I am so excited. Domino, are you excited? He's just happy to be walking without a pack on. Come on, let's go. Almost to the water. Glorious. Tell me that this doesn't like bring out your inner kid. Like, remember being at like a playground or the jungle gyms and like, or going to like Chuck E. Cheese and you're like, oh my God, I can't wait to climb to the top of that. Like, that is all I see when I see this. Like, I just want to run through there. Like, I'm running through there. Like, this is beautiful. Just want to run through and climb and explore. Like, what is this place? What is this magic? Good morning, everybody. It is 6 o'clock in the morning on the dot. My alarm just went off, and it thing. So we don't want to move. Oh my gosh, it's freezing. But I am determined to get this sunrise. So, oh my gosh. Hi Domino, good morning. We were gonna go out there, but Domino wants a belly rub first in my lap. And he's warm, so we're gonna let him. But then, we're going out there. You can kind of see the sun starting to come up. So you gotta get going. This is the view from our tent this morning. So we are about to go up to the cliffs, which is that way, and then that way, and we should get a full sunrise. So that's our tent. Be careful. We're about to walk over there around the corner. Then we have to walk back to get to the knob. But this is what we'll have a glimpse of this morning. Goodbye, McAfee knob. Not a bad tent spot. It was really written then, but it says 1932. This is kind of scary that we just had to climb up this. But I guess if you're getting that Look at that water. Yay. Let's go. Alright, I gotta get up this rock. Has to be the approach into the Tinker Cliffs. Oh my god. That was grueling. That was, oh wow. Wow. I'm looking for McAfee. I feel like it's right there. Oh my god. Another mountain conquered. According to the map, that's not even Tinker Cliffs. What? It gets even better. Tinker Cliffs. We did the last of the Triple Crown today. Tinker Cliffs is now complete. Dragon's Tooth, McAfee Knob, Tinker's Cliff. Dragon's Tooth was definitely the hardest. McAfee Knob was definitely the steepest uphill. And Tinker Cliffs was the longest 1.3 miles uphill I've ever done. It felt like it took forever just to do that last 1.3. But yeah, it was incredible. And I heard you get a badge for doing the Triple Crown. So I got a couple of badges now. I got a Vortex badge for staying at a hostel for 3 days. I got now the Triple Crown, and of course when I finish all the states I'll get my AT completion badge. But yeah, so far we're set up for the night inside the shelter. We made it to land. We should make it to town in a day or two. Yeah, so here we go. Going to bed. We've been up since 5 a.m. because we caught that beautiful sunrise at McAfee Knob. And now we're going to say goodnight. Good night. We are hiking out this morning. The last 10 miles to town, which is Daleville. It was a rough night. Domino had a stomach ache and he threw up in the tent. So I had to clean it with my sleeping pants and my socks. So I threw those in the fire, burned my sleeping pants, burned my socks. So I'm gonna grab some more of those when we get to town. And we're carrying, oh my God, how many liters? 6 liters of water today because there is no water to refill for 10 miles. That is going to be the longest we have gone without refilling water. So the water source at the shelter last night was very, very shallow. So it took about 40 minutes to fill all of this water. But we got it done. And now we are on the trail. And hopefully it's not too strenuous of a walk today, even though I know that's a very high hope. And yeah, we're gonna try to conserve energy, take breaks as much as we need, and do the best we can to get to town in one piece and not dehydrated. So here we go. Did the Triple Crown. And now headed to town. Alright, over and out. What are you doing? You can't a mountain? I think this is Hay Rock. You're supposed to climb to the top. No, thank you. Not with this pack on. Domino, we good. Whew. That is way higher than it looks from this side. Wow, it's beautiful though. All right, Domino, let's go. All that water, such a tease, so far away. Domino, hey. Yay! 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 Oh my God, I'm so happy. Real shower. I haven't even taken my pack off yet. Oh my God. Real shower, real toilet. Oh, I couldn't be happier. Real bed. A table to eat real food. Pack off, let's go. When you're so excited to get to a store that you forget your damn money in the room. I done walked all the way over here to get what I need and forgot to bring money to buy it. What in the heck is wrong with me? So now I gotta walk all the way back. Good thing I'm a hiker and I don't mind walking.